Assembling the dashboard, obtaining the dashboard colors. In this lesson, we are going to obtain our 6 colors from the Google Mobility website. As a kind of homage to the work Google is doing, let's use the same colors that they have. So what we are going to do is leverage our web browser, in my case Google Chrome, to try to take these colors from the website. So the first thing I want you to do is to right click on the icon and then go to inspect. Hopefully this works for you. If not, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to put the color codes in the course description, but the key is what you can see here is that you have the RGB values for this specific icon. You could do the same thing for the tree, so that represents park. You have the colors as well. Once you have the RGB, that's the red, green and blue color, you can essentially use these in your Tableau dashboards. So what I want you to do is try obtaining these colors from your web browser. Hopefully you can, because I want us to use these in order to actually download icons. The interesting thing about this website, just as a small little segue, is that these are actually SVG graphics, but they're actually drawn, which is actually quite neat, therefore it's scalable. The key thing though is that what I want you to do is try to inspect the item and take the color. If you use an Internet Explorer, it's very similar, or most web browsers would have this functionality included. So what I want us to do is take all 6 colors. Again, you could do this with most websites. You could find the colors if you right click and inspect the item. Again, this only works with code. It doesn't work with, for example, an image. If you had an image in itself, you'll need to go into a graphics editor and see if you could extract the color there. However, as we're dealing with websites, as Google's drawing, we should be able to obtain these. If not, that's perfectly fine. Check these values in the course description, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we will use the colors to get our own colored icons.